Morning, my peeps. How you all going today? Oh my gosh, guys, today is a huge setback for New Zealand. Auckland is where I live, and we have had a we are back on lockdown. Level 3 we're on at the moment. That was announced last night, and we're going back to on lockdown at 12 o'clock today, and at the moment it's 8 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, we've apparently had like four people spreading coronavirus over here. So we've enjoyed 102 days, I think, of beautiful, lenient complacency. And yeah, you know, all schools are shut, all restaurants, bars. I am popping into work today, and I thought I would take you guys along with me, just to check the streets out and everything like that, because, you know, I live in Auckland. And yeah, my beautiful Auckland. Very sad. But how are you guys anyway? So yeah, guys, it's a story, and oh my gosh. But it's all good. I'm keeping calm. Keep calm, guys. And you know, the way I think of it is, us over here in New Zealand have been enjoying the good life, and I couldn't imagine what any of you guys out there have been going through, because this fucking COVID, man, it's fucked. So I want to keep everything as normal as possible this morning, because I need to keep calm. Everyone's probably thinking, why the fuck are you doing a glam? I'm not doing a glam, by the way. I am doing a very fast look, guys. Not going to be doing anything serious today, guys, because I need to get into work and assess the situation and what the hell's going on over there. So I'm going to do the fastest of looks this morning, guys. I'm using my Goss. Wayne, I love him. He's one of my favorite beauty gurus on YouTube, and I've been following him for years. And I finally got his palette, guys. And you know, you guys are probably thinking, what the fuck is this chick doing, you know? But it makes me happy to do my makeup, and it kind of takes my mind off what is going on for a little bit. Only for a little bit, but yeah. But this is his palette here, guys. Isn't it gorgeous? I mean, it's a perfect beginner-friendly palette. It truly is. The pans are huge. I've used this, as you can see. But perfect black. The neutrals, the browns, easiest palette for beginners, guys. And I'm going to show you guys the fastest of looks, because I need to get into work and check out what the hell's going on with this, especially for work and everything like that. I mean, yeah, you know, finances and stuff. It's only for 3 days, this lockdown, so I am hoping that it doesn't spread any further, but you never know. I mean, I woke up this morning and I got an alert on my phone saying lockdown straight away. So we were on, when we get to alert level 4 in New Zealand, that is full lockdown, and we went on to that for 4 weeks in March. And yeah, lockdown, couldn't leave the house. Could leave the house for exercises and brief exercising, but yeah, it was very quiet, surreal. Very weird vibe. But I was looking on the brighter side of it during that time, because, you know, I could work from home with the kids. The kids weren't actually here, which was amazing, and I got to have a really good kind of relax. And I know I felt a bit guilty doing that, but you know, I needed it. And yeah, that's what's happening over here, bros. And I'm gonna update you soon. But let's get this all done. My hair, I'm not gonna do anything major today, because I am in a rush. So let's get to it. Hair is everywhere this morning, guys. I could never remember if I put my mousse in. It's okay. Let's just get a bit of foundation on this, eh? I'm gonna use my Lumiere today. Oh, it's so weird. There's helicopters outside. People are rushing to get food. Our supermarket down the road, they ripped the doors off last night, I think it was, just to get in there to get, no, it wasn't last night, it was this morning. Rushing, you know, freaking out. to get food and stuff for their families, thinking there's not going to be enough. And that's, you know, panic buying. And I won't do that. But I will go and buy some essential supplies today. So let's just do a little bit of concealer, guys. My hourglass again. Yeah, so my kids are all staying home. All the schools are shut. Yeah, people are panicking at the moment. And you know, I am too, but it's use of panicking, to be honest. So I need to get my calm on. Yeah, benefit boing, guys. Let's hit those marks. Oh! Fluffy brush, my peeps. Hey, my peeps, let's hit it with Wayne's palette, eh? Very fast. I gotta go. Beautiful, beginner friendly, guys. Fast. I would recommend this palette to everybody out there who is just starting up. It's bloody awesome. They're all mattes up here, slight sheeny, metallic-y. I wouldn't call it metallic, but sheeny. Beautiful as black, and to have a black is amazing. Celestial, let's hit it. I'm gonna hit it with this one right here. Oh, no. Actually, I am gonna go for this one here, and I'm gonna chuck it all over the lid. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. Now I'm going to go for this one here, guys. Just use the same brush. It's a slight metallic. Use the other side. I don't have time to muck around, so let's get that on. Beautiful. Definitely needs to blend out. Let's get some of this brown on now, guys. The darker one. And I'm going to put this just in the crease. Let's blend that out now. Just use this big massive brush. And a bloody brush. Alright guys, I'm going to hit it with some black now. That one there. Just on the outer. So that needs to be blended more. So let's blend that black out a bit more, guys. Okay, my peeps, let's hit it with some of that Celestial, eh? Because I love it. Whoa, a little bit crumbly. A little bit of fallout, guys. You know, it's all good with me. I love Wayne Goss and I love supporting him, so beautiful. I love it. All right, let's get some of this brown on the bottom. And I think that's all I'm going to do, guys. Now let's hit the inner. Now I'm going to use this beautiful sheeny white, not metallic. Just a tiny bit of black, tiny bit of the black on the bottom. Okay, my peeps, clean up where you need to. That's all I'm going to do, guys. I don't have any time. My mind's racing. Put a bit of Tommy on, guys. Motion proof black. Ooh. I can do, guys. It's all I can do. Keep our spirits up. Charlotte Brow Lift. Now you still gotta look after yourselves, eh, guys, when you're going through these situations. You do. You do. If you fuck out, it's overs. Okay, my peeps, I'm gonna put a bit of my Kevin Aquan on. Blush. I don't think my brush is clean. Ooh. And I'm going to use my beautiful Danessa Mardix Lightwork Palette 2. I've shown you guys this before. Amazing. So I usually use cinnamon sugar. I'm going to go for this sweet saffron. I've used it. It's gorgeous. It's like a reading. Okay. Woo! Yes. Oh. Man, I didn't need any blush with that on, eh? Okay, my peeps, it's Urban Decay it. I gotta go. It's fine. As you can see, guys, isn't that a beautiful fast look using waning? I love it. Tarte mascara. I'm not even going to do bottoms. Alright, Natasha Denona Lipophoria in the colour... Oh, I can't even see it. Well, it's one of the dark ones anyway. Yeah, I love this. Love my dark lipsticks. That's me, my peeps. Okay, chuck on a bit of perfume. Guys, you still got to make yourself, you know... In my eyes, you still gotta do yourself up and stuff like that. So, Tom Ford, Oh Dear, Beau de Jour perfume, love it. Love it. Oh, so nice. Okay, my peeps, what do you guys think? Very rushed, very good, but you know, mine Goss, man. That palette's amazing. Alright, checkies in the car. We'll check out Auckland, eh? See what the hell's going on out there. Bloody useless phone holder fell off, guys. Got my little daughter with me, Miss Rose. She's the naughty one, so she needs to come to work with me. So all of our yeah, so all of I know. So we're on alert level 3. Yeah, alert level 3 now, guys. And yeah, so I'm going to work, assess the situation over there, see what the hell's going on. People are panicking over here in Auckland. So Auckland's on alert level 3. The next one is a full lockdown, which is level 4. But our Prime Minister, Jacinda, man, she is amazing. I love her so much. She's so calm. Calm, and that's what you need to be. You need to be calm in these situations. Can you stop eating chips, darling? Say hello. Hi. Yeah, so all of my kids, there's no school today, guys. Everything's finished. Well, everything's closed till Friday. Today is Wednesday. And I have to get into work and assess what the hell's going on. But I wanted to take you guys with me today. Probably need to pick up some supplies. I'm not sure. I think I'll need to work from home because of my kids. I've got me teenager looking after the kids at home. She just closes the door, man, and they just run her back. So she's good though. Yeah, a bit busy on the road, guys. Let me see if I can flip this. Hold up. There's my peaks. So it's a bit busy on the old Auckland roads today. Not too bad though, not too bad. Not too bad, my peaks. But yeah, we'll check it out when we get on the motorway. My phone down here because yeah, I bought this phone holder and it's freaking useless. I need to find one, a good one. So yeah, I'm not complaining, guys, about the lockdown. It's only till Friday apparently, but who knows what could happen in that time. Apparently a family has spread, the family of four has spread community transmission in South Auckland, and Auckland is they're trying to find out where they've been and all the rest of it. They've put the rest of New Zealand on alert level 2. But yeah, all schools are daycare, so I'm going to have my grandson with me at work today for a little bit, but we all go to alert level 3 at 12 o'clock lunchtime today, guys. We've enjoyed 102 days of freedom, and people got complacent, I think. As we do. So we'll find out more today. Woke up really early this morning, 4:30, thinking I was going to the gym. Nope, all closed. So I better get petrol because I'm nearly on E. And I'm pretty sure the petrol station is going to be fucking full as. Yeah, no one knows. No one knows. I'm gonna grab some masks. Yeah, my main goal is just keep my children safe, keep them close to me, keep them at home. I just don't know what's going on, no one does, but I've got to keep calm, eh? You know, I'm pretty good at staying calm. So yeah, I'll take you guys around. So I might start working from home tomorrow. So I've got a lot of things to do today. Yeah, roads don't look too bad, guys. They yeah, they're not full, but we will check the motorway out. So I wonder how all you guys are going in your countries. You know, my bros over in Australia are heading out hard in Melbourne. It's bloody bad, eh? It's just sneaky. Apparently these people who have it, this family, one of them got tested and it came up bloody negative. So he was waltzing around for them in 2 weeks or something like that. Took another test and was positive. So yeah, just got to keep it positive and safe and calm, eh? So I'm going to go get some supplies today, or send my daughter up with a mask on. And yeah, fucking no one knows what's going on at the moment. Got an awesome Prime Minister though. I love her so much. She's a calming person. Good guys, I will catch you later. It doesn't look too much havoc out here at the moment. So yeah.